Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Well, we have a cross stitch and a little package here. Hang on. All right. This package comes from DPClubs, and if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, I will put them right along here and in the description box below. So do check them out because I know everybody's having sales right now. So see if there's anything you like. So what we're going to do is start with the little itty bitty package first. If I can get it off, it's all nicely wrapped in bubble wrap and packing tape here. Very nice. Oh, and it's even in its own little bag once I get that far. Hang on. And this was $5.39. And it's one of those needle threaders. I didn't think I had this one. I can't remember. It doesn't look familiar. But it's a little girl with a bunch of flowers. So yeah, she just looks all summery. She's just out there messing with the flowers. I do like that. And it's kind of sparkly. I don't know if you can tell that or not. I'll twink it back and forth. It's got the same image on the back. And it's got a piece of plastic on the back. And they never come with an extra magnet, so I just keep moving all mine around on them. But yeah, they're so cute. So I'll just add that one to my collection. Now we have a cross stitch. It is 48 by 54. It is 14 count, and it was $14. My voice is cracking. I was out in the wind yesterday. $14.79. Let me get it out of its bag. So, and I don't know. I think it's full coverage. I'll have to look, but I can't tell by the picture. It is a Joy Sunday. It comes in typical Joy Sunday bag with all how to start, how to finish. Yeah, it's going to take a hot moment. I have pieces of stuff everywhere. So, no, it's kind of a partial, if you will. And it got all mooshed. It says a windowsill filled with flowers. Does have some back stitching in it, but it looks pretty nominal. I don't know, I think they could have done a better job with the back stitching. So you can always add to it however you want. But yeah, I just thought it was beautiful. Got a villa down there, and you got all these flowers and a bird. Got a bird's nest. Oh, two birds, sorry. Don't see any butterflies. No butterflies, but we'd have pansies and all different kinds. Let's take a look at the book. Now this is broken down into 9 pages and 9 parts. Let's see. Oh, there's the colors. So there are a total of 64 colors. I'm trying to see. So you have full stitch, half stitch, French knot, and back stitch. And the colors, let me see. Do I know anything besides 310? We have 600, which is kind of a bright red. No 823, you have 824 and 820. And no 939. No 3371. And we have B5200 for your white. Just looking down in here. Now this key matches the paper pattern, and it's very nicely done, very easy to see. Now the what do you call it, the Oh, we got a surprise. The canvas will have its own set, and it is 220 by 256. So as you can see, you just stitch along here, and there's going to be like a white border up in here, but the center part is full stitch. I'm believing, well, there's a little bit of light colors here. So we'll just have to look at the canvas. But on the back side of this, it has all the symbols for the canvas. Very nice. Very nicely done indeed. Oh, it does have a French knot. I have my hand on it. So one French knot in B5200. But there's 11 colors in the back stitching. And 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17 colors for your half cross. Oh, 17, 18, 19, 21 colors in half cross stitch. Okay. Yay. Go team. Oh my goodness. I just thought it was pretty though, but nicely done pattern. But see, there's nominal back stitching. It's just kind of like sticks and stuff here. Every once in a while they go around some flowers. So you could do that as extensively as you liked. Very nice. Yeah. Let's see what those colors look like. So there are 64 colors. There are 3 thread cards were attached here. Sorry, and then I hit the camera. It does come with 2 needles. It comes on one of those cards. The red numbers are how many threads that you have. Can you see them? The red numbers are how many threads of each color you have. Then you have the DMC color and then the thread card number. So let's just take them apart. I see lots of purples and lots of greens and pinks. So we got greens and purple here and some browns. Just gorgeous. And I think these lightweight here are what you're going to do your back stitching in. It's kind of funky. The colors do not go in numerical order here for some reason. I think that's all your half cross stitches and stuff. Kind of weird. Pinks, there's your B5200. So all these right here are your back stitching or half cross stitch. Tans. And then we have pinks and greens. Dark brown. Kind of a grayish brown. Blues. Lots of blues and oranges and yellows. All different colors. And we have more greens. Look at all the greens. My goodness gracious. And tan, yellow. And on this side, all the purples. Bluish purple, greens. Just gorgeous array of colors. So hopefully this will be darker than the picture shows. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, are you ready to see the canvas? Have you seen enough? Now see how small this is. Sometimes it's hard for people to see. Very nice canvas. It's nice and thin. It's not terribly thin, but I mean it's finer than some of the others that I've seen. Very nice. Very easy to see symbols. Hopefully the back stitching will pick up some of this. And if you had some 310 hanging fire, or what is that, 3966? Is that the other one, the, what is it called, pewter color? You could outline some more things. Sorry, I'm dying of thirst here. Let me hold this up and I can show you how nice and well printed it is. And it's very nice on the key. I can see the top numbers and the bottom numbers, so they're not too terribly small. They're small, but not minute. You know, when you get a canvas about that big, everything looks like it's all scrunched together. So very nice. Very easy to see symbols. So you have your full stitch here. You have your back stitch on this side. Let me open it up. It's kind of limp. So I said it was kind of thin for a change. Let's move everything around. Then you have all your half cross stitches down here and your French knot at the end. I'm looking to see. So most of this background, way far background, is half cross stitch. So that's nice. It's just kind of lightly there. And I'm sure there's more half cross stitches and stuff thrown in down here. But very nice indeed. Let's measure this. It is serged all the way around, in case you wondered. It is 54 centimeters or 21¼ inches or thereabouts. And this way it is tad over 42 centimeters or a little bit over 16½ inches. The actual picture size is 14 inches almost, or 35½ centimeters by 46½ centimeters, or 18¼ inches. I just love this. It's got so many elements to it, and I don't know, it might be one of those things where you have to do the whole background and put it on a wall, just kind of tack it up there temporarily, and look at it and see where you'd like to put more back stitching into it. So yeah, sometimes if the further away you get from it, the easier it is to assimilate what you actually need. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. I love it. I love all the colors, and I'm glad the colors are brightish, because when you look at this, it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't look real bright. I think this is a faded out picture of it. So we'll have to see, little by little. But yeah, we'll be starting this today at 2. So, yep. Thank you, DPClubs, for this beautiful kit and my beautiful new little needle threader. I just love her. She's so cute. I have one, and I don't know where it's at right now. It's a lady in blue instead of pink. So yeah, very nice. Now, they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of it. If they have any specials, it'll be in the beginning and in the description box below. Now, they also have, they do not have embroidery, though. So, I don't know if they, and I'm not sure. I do have a 15% off discount code. So, be sure to use that if you go shopping there. But, I don't know if they've gotten, that's what I started to say, gotten the new beaded cross stitch in or not. But do check them out. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.